Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the RisoPhy brand, the rechargeable wireless gaming keyboard. It's low profile, has 5 connection modes. You can go wired, 2.4 gigahertz, Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, and Bluetooth 3. It's USB-C rechargeable. It has an included cable, and it has a little tool to help you get the 2.4 gigahertz dongle off the back. It has high quality red switches below, which are very reliable, and it has a red, green, blue type of LED display. You could change the pattern on there. And this company offers 100% refund or replacement within 1 year, and this product gets excellent customer ratings. So this could be used in a lot of different applications on your PC, your mini PC. It can also be used Bluetooth on 3 other devices, including a mobile phone, because that Bluetooth connection allows it to send data. It could also be utilized with the included cable, not only for charging, but for data, so that you can use it in a wired mode, essentially. So let's take a look at this beautiful keyboard. Again, look how low profile it is. It has stands on the bottom. And if you look here on close-up right here, you see that it has connection 2.4 gigahertz, off, or Bluetooth. You can change the Bluetooth modes on the keyboard. Here is the little dongle that you're going to plug into your computer. So we're going to put it on 2.4 gigahertz mode. And I already charged it, and I used the included cable. And there is a status indicator up on the top right there, and that will blink, and when you're charging, that will extinguish when it's fully charged. Now if you wanted to go and use this as a mechanical keyboard, you would plug the included cable into the USB-C port, then you have USB-A ports to go to your PC. Very simple. So right now this thing is displaying colors, and there is an instruction booklet that does go over how to get all the different functions of this running, essentially. So let's take a look first at the colors on here. I'm going to turn off my studio lights here. So here's the keyboard. See how beautiful it looks, and all the colors on all the different transparent plastic pieces right above the red switches. It looks pretty amazing. And you could change the functions on here, the FN key plus INS. So let's see, INS, where is that? That's right here. And here is the function key. So I can go through here and I could change to the different modes and get different patterns on here. Let's try another one. This is a breathing pattern. Really nice. And you can also change the speed, the function key. You can change the brightness right there, how fast the thing is breathing, and so forth. That's nice if you're in a room or a lab and you have a darker room. It allows you to see the keyboards. I don't type that fast, and I don't look away from the keyboard. So for somebody like me, this is perfect because it lights up and I can actually see what I'm typing. So here it is on my mini PC. I have the little module plugged into one of my USB-A ports on here, and I have the monitor right here, and I can type away and it works beautifully. And it's very quiet. The keys don't have a loud sound to them, and really nice. It has all the functions you'd expect, numeric, and all the other functions right here, slashes and so forth. Everything's on here, and it stays real stable because it has those rubberized legs on here. It works really well as a keyboard. So after testing, what do I think about the RisoPhy brand, the rechargeable wireless gaming keyboard? The low profile, with all those 5 connection modes, the USB-C chargeable, and the nice red switches on there. As I show, the color display is really cool on this, and I really like the way this works. Simple to use, stable, comes with the dongle you're going to need and the cable and the remover. Really nice quality. I'm impressed. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.